Ladies and gentlemen, this is Afreen Zehra.
And I'm Shahzad Murad. We are here to welcome you all on behalf of Utopia today at this very special evening, the Success Symphony 2024. ये हमारी खुशनसीबी है, इस बात पे कोई शक नहीं है कि हम एक ऐसे ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का हिस्सा हैं जहाँ पर एम्प्लॉयज़ की पजीराई हर मरहले पर की जाती है, चाहे वो इस तरह के इवेंट्स हों या दूसरे तरीक़ों से। हमेशा एम्प्लॉयज़ को आगे रखा जाता है, उन्हें आगे बढ़ने के मौके पेश किए जाते हैं।
2023 has been truly exhilarating for Utopia Industries since we have launched some of the most creative product portfolios and achieved some of the most amazing sales milestones. ये भी बहुत खुशाइन बात है कि हमने इसी साल बहुत से सस्टेनेबिलिटी प्रोजेक्ट्स भी लॉन्च किए हैं। बिलाशुबा ये सब कुछ आप सब के बगैर मुमकिन नहीं था। Your efforts are remarkable.
To celebrate all this and future prospects, we would like to officially begin this event by welcoming our CEO, Utopia Industries, and co-founder Utopia Deals, who has been a driving force behind Utopia, especially in the innovation and technological growth. His efforts are remarkable. His leadership means a lot to all of us. Please welcome CEO Utopia Industries and co-founder Utopia Deals, Mr. Adnan Niaz Sahab on stage.
Welcome to this event. I'm very thrilled to invite you to this event. Last year was very exciting. We did so many things. We applied ourselves. We achieved so many milestones. This year, I think we can replicate that success, and I hope that you guys can apply. As he mentioned, we also have done so many interesting projects this year, last year. Sustainability is one of the very big goals for Utopia. Biomass project, the solar project, we do plan to do 4 megawatt of solar project this year. So I wish कि हम जो है वो अपनी सक्सेस को रेप्लिकेट करें, और थैंक यू ऑल ऑफ यू कि आपको अप्लाई किया और कंपनी की ग्रोथ में कंट्रीब्यूट किया, प्रोडक्ट लॉन्चेस की, और सक्सेस को हम इसी तरह अपने आप को अप्लाई करते रहें और अपने आप को मोटिवेटेड रखें और प्रोडक्ट लॉन्च करते रहें और ग्रोथ की तरफ काम करें। थैंक यू।
Thank you so much for your words, Mr. Adnan Niaz Sahab. I would like you to please come on stage again since we are going to start the process of giving away
Promotion
the
announcement.
Yeah.
At Utopia Industries, we have seen a diligent display of leadership by people at different positions. That's why management has decided to promote these people, these individuals, to another level of authority and leadership. May this be an inspiration for all of us and everyone here. So we will begin announcing the names of promotions. Promoted to General Manager level, Mr. Syed Usama Amin from Product Design Department. We would like to welcome you on the stage.
Congratulations, Mr. Osama Amin. The next person being promoted to Deputy General Manager is Mr. Ahmad from Sales Department.
The next person is promoted to Senior Manager position, Mr. Muhammad Shahid from Admin Department.
Congratulations, Mr. Shahid. The next person promoted to the Senior Manager is Mr. Muhammad Imaduddin from Maintenance Department.
Congratulations. The next person is promoted to Senior Manager position, Mr. Muhammad Shahid Mahfouz from Finance Department.
The next person promoted to manager is Mr. Haji Kareem from Dyeing Department.
next person is promoted to manager position, Mr. Hassan Ahmed from Art and Sets Media House Department.
Congratulations, Hassan. Next person promoted to manager is Mr. Floyd Lobo from HR department.
Congratulations. We need more appreciation and clapping from you guys, for every department. After all, it's all about Utopia. So the next person is promoted to manager position, Mr. Muntazir Ayaz from HSC department. The next person is promoted to manager position, Mr. Sayyid Anas Ali from I. Terry Miscellaneous Department.
Thank you, Mr. Anas. And now may this be an inspiration to the female workforce of Utopia. Next person promoted to manager is Ms. Rifat Saeed from Product Planning.
The next person is promoted to manager position from Product Design Department, Mr. Mohammad Hamza.
The next person being promoted to manager is Ms. Bushra Feroz from Product Design. The next person being promoted to senior manager is Mr. Altaf Hussain from Production PSF Department.
The next award is for the person who is promoted to manager position from Supply Chain Global Department, Mr. Faraz Alam. He's not here today, so on his behalf, Mr. Udebi will receive the award.
The next person being promoted to manager is Mr. Muhammad Asif from Taxation Department.
Congratulations everyone. I would like to request Adnan साहब please stage पे रहें. हम बहुत स्पेशल अवार्ड अनाउंस करने वाले हैं आज की इवनिंग का, और ये ऐसा अवार्ड है जिसके लिए आप सब नहायत इंतज़ार कर रहे हैं काफ़ी टाइम से. We'll begin with that.
Being called an employee of the year is one of the biggest achievement a person can aim for in an organization. हम जिसको employee of the year देने जा रहे हैं, उन्होंने इस साल नहायत ही बेहतर कारकर्दगी का मुजाहरा किया है. So, employee of the year award goes to Mr. Mohammad Shweb Salim from Dyeing Department.
Big round of
Moving on, we have a special video package for you all that truly highlights the visionary minds behind Utopia Industries. ख़वातीनो हज़रात, अब जिन लोगों को आप सुनने जा रहे हैं वो हकीकी मायनों में पाकिस्तान की लीडिंग ई-कॉमर्स इंडस्ट्रीज़ के लीडर्स हैं.
Let's watch this video. Special package prepared for you all.
लाइफ एट यूटोपिया. पिछले 12 साल से मैं वर्क फ्रॉम होम कर रहा हूँ, एक छोटे से कमरे से. 2 मॉनिटर, एक CPU, कीबोर्ड, माउस, एक कुर्सी, एक मेज़, बस यही छोटा सा इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर. और हर रोज़ 2 या 3 टीम्स के साथ स्क्रम. इसके अलावा 5-6 लोगों से फ़ोन पे बात, कुछ लोगों के फ़ोन का जवाब देना. और इसके अलावा यही एक तकरीबन एक दिन की मसरूफियात ज़्यादातर. मेरी जॉब है बुनियादी तौर पे कंपनी के लिए फ़ैसले करना, कुछ छोटे फ़ैसले करना, कुछ बड़े फ़ैसले करना, कुछ अच्छे फ़ैसले करना और कुछ शायद ख़राब फ़ैसले भी किए जाते हैं. और अपनी तरफ से इंसान अच्छे ही फ़ैसले करता है, दुरुस्त फ़ैसले ही करता है, लेकिन वक्त के साथ कुछ फ़ैसले अच्छे नहीं भी साबित होते. तो कोशिश ये होती है कि बेहतर फैसले करें। मेरी जॉब है कि कंपनी के फ्यूचर के बारे में सोचना और ये सोचना कि हम क्या बेहतर कर सकते हैं, आगे की राहें क्या हैं और उन राहों का तयन करके कंपनी को सही रास्ते पे रखना। यूटोपिया आपकी कंपनी है, आप ही इसको चलाते हैं, यह हमारी कंपनी है। मैं भी आपकी तरह इस कंपनी का एक हिस्सा हूँ, बस मेरी जिम्मेदारियाँ आपसे कुछ मुख्तलिफ हैं और मेरा काम आपसे कुछ मुख्तलिफ है। जब हम यूटोपिया के बारे में सोचते हैं, इसकी कामयाबी के बारे में सोचते हैं, तो इससे खुशी मिलती है, इससे दिल को तक़वियत मिलती है और मज़ीद काम करने की जस्तजू कायम रहती है। तो थैंक यू सो मच एंड आई होप यू हैव वंडरफुल टाइम।
Hi everyone, I'm Rida Pirzada. You probably know me as the Vice President of Utopia. It's been 8 years since I joined Utopia as a content writer. Back then, we were a small team of 4 people in Karachi. Being part of Utopia has been an incredible ride, a journey of non-stop learning, challenges, firefighting, and obviously growth, both personally and professionally. Together, we create, innovate, and solve difficult but interesting problems every day. It is remarkable to see our company evolve into a major player in both e-commerce and manufacturing. But without your incredible support and dedication, none of this would have been happened. Your passion has been the driving force behind our success. Thank you all for your support.
Utopia has been more than just a workplace. It has been a flourishing environment which flourished me both personally and professionally.
Utopia is not just a company. It's a community of passionate, creative and supportive people.
Despite the challenges, I feel proud of the success we achieved together as a team. We successfully implemented a accounting and financial system that improved our financial efficiency.
The high level of integrity here in Utopia Industries, which make all employees very much confident and integrate with the passion.
यूटोपिया जिस तरीके से ग्रो कर रही है, तो इसमें ये कहना बिल्कुल भी गलत नहीं होगा कि यूटोपिया आने वाले वक्तों में टॉप ऑफ द 1 एक्सपोर्टर ऑफ पाकिस्तान होंगे।
Utopia cares about the development of each employee, and with its growth, it also helps the employees to grow too.
It has been a very wonderful journey. Enjoyed the support of management at every step.
यूटोपिया इंडस्ट्रीज़ और उसकी टॉप मैनेजमेंट को थैंक यू करना चाहूँगा कि उन्होंने मुझे ये फोरम दिया और मुझे अपने आप को प्रूव करने का मौका दिया।
As newly appointed audit head, I am thrilled to be part of such a dynamic and forward-looking organization.
The way we are progressing, inshallah ta'ala, we would be in the top 10 by the grace of Almighty Allah.
I wish the whole management of Utopia to keep inspiring the world and achieve further greater results in coming year.
I have seen incredible growth, innovation and teamwork, and proudly say I feel peace, comfort and enjoying quality life here.
I feel proud to be the part of one of the fastest growing company of Pakistan,
providing professionals and performance-based culture at the workplace. I feel proud to be a part of the Utopia Industries.
Utopia, we are aiming for the stars and we are, going up and up and up.
Utopia Industries has achieved numerous milestones and initiated some amazing new projects. Thanks to every single team member of Utopia Industries. For the future, I hope we all work even harder to further take this amazing organization to new heights of success. Thank you, Utopia.
I never imagined that I will be entering an organization that champions learning, development and recognition, a rarity in today's corporate landscape.
I am honored to be the part of the Utopia Industries, which is now the largest seller on Amazon, and we are the leading manufacturers of pillows and comforters in Pakistan.
The best thing about the environment and Utopia is the ever-changing landscape of learning. There's always something new to learn over here.
Product diversity gave us the room to work on the improving our production needs and to align ourselves with the requirements. So this is something which I think is very challenging, and the teams have to align themselves according to the needs.
The work culture, the team spirit and motivation to add the values I have experienced in Utopia is unique.
I am excited for the future at Utopia, where we will continue to learn, grow and innovate together to excel further in the world of the e-commerce on Amazon or beyond.
We believe in open communication channels and teamwork amongst our members and encourage new ideas. And all such ideas, whether they're positive or negative, are given a thought by the management. Hence, giving the impression to our members that they're part of the community and they're part of our success.
Working here has shown me the importance of hard work, resilience and never giving up.
यूटोपिया की जो सबसे अच्छी बात मुझे लगती है वो ये है कि यहाँ पे हर चीज़ मेरिट बेसिस पे होती है। यहाँ पे कोई फेवरेटिज्म नहीं होती। यहाँ पे आपका हार्ड वर्क आपको रिप्रेजेंट करता है।
जिस तरह डे टू डे आपका यूटोपिया आगे बढ़ता जा रहा है, इसी तरह इंशाल्लाह ताला विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट।
Thank you everyone for watching this amazing package and the people who shared these amazing thoughts. It means a lot. You guys are all inspiration for all of us. Moving forward, the most important part of this evening, the awards. We are going to begin with first set of awards. To present this award, I would like to invite Mr. Rizwan Niaz Sahab, Chief Administrative Officer, Utopia Industries.
Evening is High Performance Award and it goes to Bilal Shahid from Technology Department. The next award is Special Projects and it goes to Mr. Muhammad Abdul Mueed from Technology Department. The next award is again for Special Projects and it goes to Mr. Kashif Ahmed Siddiqui, Department Maintenance and Utilities. The next award is again for Special Projects and it goes to Mr. Samran Saeed from HSC Department.
Ladies and gentlemen, again, your appreciation means a lot. So bring in some energy. We have a dinner afterwards planned for you. So let's hear your claps even louder. The next name, the next award we are going to present, it's again for a special project. And it goes to Mr. Haziq Hussain from Product Miscellaneous Textile Department.
This next award is High Impact Award and it goes to Mr. Muhammad Ahmad from Sales Department. Award is Leadership Award and it goes to Mr. Rana Muhammad Tehseen from Production Department.
Congratulations everyone. The next set of awards is going to be presented by Mr. Adnan Niaz. We would like to welcome you again. Please on stage. First award that Mr. Adnan Niaz is going to present is for High Impact Award and it goes to Mr. Hassan Zahoor from Product Comforter Department.
Thank you, Mr. Hassan.
Okay, moving on. The next award is for High Performance and it goes to Mr. Abdul Kareem Syed from Product Mattress Protector Department.
Next award is High Performance Award and it goes to Mr. Naveed Arshad Cheema from the Production Department. Next High Performance Award goes to Ms. Tuba Mahmood from Product Bedding.
The next award is again for High Performance Award and it goes to Mr. Salman Bari from Accounts Global.
Next award is Innovation Award and it goes to Mr. Kamran Naseem from Media House.
The next award is Innovation Award and it goes to Mr. Syed Mohammad Muiz from Product Design Department.
Innovation Award goes to Mr. Mohammad Khurram Shafiq from Sales Department.
The next award is a Leadership Award, and it goes to Mr. Murtaki Athar from HR Department.
Another Leadership Award goes to Mr. Qasim Raza Shaukat from Production Plastic Metal.
Thank you, Mr. Adnan Nia Sahab. We are moving forward with the next set of awards, and it is going to be presented by Vice President Utopia, Ms. Rida Pirzada. Please welcome her on stage. A big round of applause.
The first Leadership Award is for Mr. Haris Khan, Supply Chain Global.
The next award is Cost Saving Award, and it goes to Najamul Saqib, Department Procurement.
Next Cost Saving Award goes to Mr. Syed Faizan Jalani, Product Cookware.
The next award is a Leadership Award, and it goes to Mr. Syed Osama Amin from Product Design Department.
Next Creativity Award goes to Mr. Naveed Rashid from Stores Department.
The next one is a High Impact Award, and it goes to Muhammad Rahil Khanzada from Admin Department.
Congratulations, Mr. Rahil. Next High Impact Award goes to Mr. Rashid Ali Bhatti, Accounts Department. Congratulations, Mr. Rashid. Next High Impact Award goes to Mr. Muhammad Azim Khan, Maintenance and Mechanical.
The next award is another High Impact Award, and it goes to Mr. Jamal Akbar from Knitting Department.
Since Mr. Hassan Zahoor has just joined, I would like to request him to come on stage and collect his award for High Impact.
The next award is another High Impact Award, and goes to Mr. Mohammad Sharik from Audit Department. Moving forward, we are done with the first set of awards. We would like to welcome our hosts for the evening, Mr. Anik and Ms. Hamna, on stage to take this event further.
Thank you so much, Afreen and Shahzad, for giving us this opportunity to share this stage with such a lovely audience out there. मजा आ रहा है आप लोगों को?
बस थोड़ा शोर कम कर रहे हैं ये लोग. थोड़ी एप्रिसिएशन के लिए आप लोगों की तालियों की बहुत ज़रूरत है आज.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. मैं आप लोगों का शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहूँगी कि इस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के काम के साथ साथ आप लोगों ने इनका कल्चर भी बहुत अच्छा बनाया. To know a little bit more about working at Utopia, we compiled a short video of a few team members जो आपने thoughts आप सबके साथ शेयर करना चाहेंगे. Let's watch it together.
Not only my skills have been polished here, but I have thoroughly enjoyed due to the culture and the team of the Utopia Industries.
It's an honor to be the part of Utopia family, and Utopia is the right place for the right people with the right attitude.
At Utopia, we're like a one big team. We work together and help each other succeed.
Working environment के अगर मैं बात करूँ तो वो बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा है. Management बहुत अच्छी है, इनका vision बहुत ज़्यादा wide है.
As an employer, Utopia itself looks after their employee very well. There are some sort of things like they're not catering their employees as in, just an ordinary employer or something like that. They are catering us as a family.
What I like about Utopia is that not only my bosses and my colleagues treat me like a family member, but also my management as well.
On a daily basis, I do not go to a workplace, I go to my home. And it's a family we created over here. and all credit goes to the upper management and the human resource team specifically.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम। यूटोपिया इंडस्ट्रीज में मेरा 3 साल का जो सफ़र है वो बहुत ज़बरदस्त था और काफ़ी अच्छी लर्निंग अपॉर्चुनिटी मिली यहाँ। ग्रोथ अपॉर्चुनिटी बहुत अच्छी है। नंबर 1 प्राइवेट लेवल कंपनी हुई है अकाउंट में और यहाँ से मार्केटिंग सप्लाई चेन सबने बहुत इंसाइट्स मिले, बहुत सीखने को मिला। एवरीथिंग अबाउट यूटोपिया इट्स अमेजिंग। कल्चर है, मैनेजमेंट, एम्प्लॉइज, कोलीग, एवरीवन। इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग है यूटोपिया के ये है कि फैसिलिटीज़ बहुत अच्छी रहती है अपनी कंपनी में। स्टाफ को यूटोपिया जो है वो अपने स्टाफ को जो है वो वेलबींग की तरफ भी काफ़ी सपोर्ट करती है ताकि इनका स्टाफ जो है वो काफ़ी फिट रहे, एक्टिव रहे। कि we've been supportive that as to the cooperation for all for look forward as we were being in the new thing that we can make. India why not independently काम करते हैं, उसी वजह से हमारा आउटकम जो अच्छा था। We always value the employees and promote them in the way of learning and ensure the durability of thinking. हम बोर्ड के सबसे नंबर 1 पिलो बनाते हैं और उसके जरूरी है कि टीम का नंबर 1 थ्रेड उनके one of the definitely going with education and with ID skin development and the research teams.
The work culture and environment is really dear. I keep talking about
हमारे आइडियाज़ और हमारे फीडबैक को जिस तरह से यूटोपिया की मैनेजमेंट लेती है उससे काफ़ी हमें मोटिवेशन मिलती है। हमारे आइडियाज़ को वेन्यू करा जाता है जो कि बहुत कुछ टाइम खा रहा
है। कभी वो देंगे जिस बैठने को नहीं बने कि इससे डम सर्किल को एक हिंदी काम करता है then new experience stop shares with it. Happy that यहाँ पे working is more like studying up university because ये आपको सिर्फ आपकी स्किल्स इंप्रूव नहीं करे बस आपको दिखा भी रही है और आपके आपको फैक्ट्रीज
बड़ा एक्सपोर्टर है काम है हमारा और कोई कंपनी है और इंशाल्लाह उम्मीद करते हैं अभी और अच्छी तरह से ग्रो करें। So management is what if our friendly environment for you to cover. The journey so far has been very incredible to me as the work environment and the colleagues make it very good today. The Utopia Industries is going to be the leading industry in Pakistan. The teamwork, the passion and the respect that I've seen here, I've never seen it before. Utopia is more than a workplace, it's called. I really like Utopia's collaborative environment, cultural diversity, hard work acknowledgement, and definitely provide an opportunity to work with talented and amazing. This company का work culture and the corporate work okay, learning of architecture is really
Utopia has been a very exhilarating journey for me at this part about a whole sense of belonging, which usually is very hard to find in the Pakistani cultures. And considering the exposure here as a whole sense of family and leadership, and the whole fact that it's a very open and innovative culture, it's kind of experience of a lifetime for anybody to capture. Being a female, I would suggest कि female feeling यहाँ पे बहुत अच्छा culture environment है। Flexibility बहुत ज़्यादा है यहाँ पे, supportive है, my team, my managers are too supportive. Especially the management जो कि HR को बहुत support करती है और independence देती है कि हर चीज़ का action ले सके।
यहाँ पे जो colleagues हैं, आपके supervisors हैं, वो बहुत supportive हैं, वो आपको plan देते हैं अगर आपको decision making करनी है for the improvement of the policy or system, we can make it easy.
The environment is very supportive and they actually make you feel a valuable employee.
चलें इस शाम को खुशगवार बनाने के लिए एक शेर अर्ज करना चाहूँगी। वो खुद ही तय करते हैं मंजिल आसमानों की, परिंदों को नहीं दी जाती तालीम उड़ानों की, रखते हैं जो हौसला आसमान छूने का, इनको नहीं परवाह कभी गिर जाने की। शुक्रिया शुक्रिया।
शेर का आगाज़ हुआ ही है तो मैं भी एक शेर अर्ज कर देता हूँ, इजाज़त है?
इजाज़त।
थैंक यू सो मच। हर शाम आती है एक याद लेकर, हर शाम जाती है एक याद लेकर, और आज की शाम आई है बहुत ही ख़ास, जो लेकर आई है हम सबको यहाँ एक साथ लेकर।
Moving on to the next segment of awards, the awardees are requested to come on the stage one by one to receive their awards once their names are announced. To present these awards, we would like to request DGM HR Mr. Murtaki Athar Sahab on stage. The first category of Cost Saving Award goes to Imran Aziz, Department Procurement. Abdul Ahad Khan from Department QA NITS, Mohammad Fahim, Department Costing, Afaq Ahmed Khan from Department Admin. The Creative Award goes to Kashan Ahmed, Product Design Department. The next is High Impact Award goes to Salman Rashid, A Sales Department, Amirur Rahman from Quality Assurance Department, Tariq Amin, Commercial Department, Farhan Yusuf, HR Department, Adil Salim Alvi, Compliance Department. The category of High Impact Award goes to Abdul Rahman Siddiqui, Audit Department. The next category of High Impact Award goes to Muhammad Usman, QA NITS Department. Another High Impact Award goes to Muhammad Hassan, HR Department. The next category of High Performance Award goes to Muhammad Haris Ishaq, Accounts Department. Another High Performance Award goes to Muhammad Zaid Imam, Product Comforter Department. Thank you, sir, for presenting the awards. To present next set of awards, we would like to welcome on stage Senior DGM Tuba Mahmood. High Impact Award category goes to Abdul Hanan Qureshi, Accounts Department. The next category of High Performance Award goes to Sayyid Lisan Haider, Production NITS Garment Department.
Is Sayyid Lisan Haider here? Not here. Okay, let's move.
Okay. Let's move to the next. High Performance Award category goes to Asghar Ali Anchi, Video Photography Media House Department. Another High Performance Award goes to Khurshid Ahmed, Maintenance Mechanical A Department. The category of High Performance Award goes to Muhammad Udabi Afindi, HR Department.
That's the spirit.
Another High Performance Award category goes to Muhammad Farooq, Product Cookware Department. Another High Performance Award goes to Kantesh Gehani, Production Mattress Protector Department. Sayyid Fazal Abbas from Product Bedding EU Department. Another High Performance Award goes to Muhammad Muneeb Akhtar, Product Plastic Department. The next category of High Production Award goes to Ali Raza, Production Cherry Department. Another High Production Award goes to Asad Qureshi, Video and Photography Media House Department. Category of Innovation Award goes to Abu Bakr Irfan, Finance Department. Another Innovation Award goes to Faizan Muhammad Ijaz, Product Design Department. Another Innovation Award goes to Hussain Ali Arif, Product Cherry Department. The next category of Production Plant Setup Award goes to Suhaib Aurangzeb, Product Design Department. To present the next set of award, we would like to welcome on stage General Manager Rana Muhammad Haseen. High Production Award category goes to Ali Ahmed Jan from Production Comforter Department. Another High Production Award goes to Waqas Ahmed Khan, Production Pillow Department. Another High Production Award goes to Abid Rashid Abbasi, Production Bedding USA and Canada Department. Another High Production Award goes to Mushtaq Ahmed Lakhani, Waving Water Jet Department. The next category of Innovation Award goes to Farhan Amir, Support at Networking Department. Next category of Leadership Award goes to Muhammad Umar Farooqi.
Umar Farooq.
Another Leadership Award goes to Muhammad Aziz, Dying Terry Department. The next Leadership Award goes to Muhammad Bilal Ehsan, Technology Department. Another Leadership Award goes to Wasis Sherwani from Production Miscellaneous Textile Department. Woo!
Please make some noise for Wasif Sherwani.
The next category is High Performance Award goes to Adnan Khan, HR Department. Special Project Award category goes to Uzair Ahmed, Pre-Production Media House Department. Another Special Project Award goes to Fahad Masood from Dyeing Knit Department. Another Special Project Award goes to Muhammad Ahmed Sharif from Procurement Department. Another Special Project Award goes to Tanveer Ahmed, Procurement Department. Thank you, Mr. Rana, for presenting the awards. To present the next set of awards, we would like to welcome on stage DGM account Mr. Rashid Ali Bhatti. The Special Project category award goes to Muhammad Idris, Dyeing Terry Department. Another Special Project award goes to Zahid Hussain, QA Terry Miscellaneous Department.
Zahid Hussain, please come on stage if you are here, or at least raise your hand.
Another Special Project award goes to Muhammad Shoaib, Design Media House Department. Another Special Project Award goes to Muhammad Ehtisam Hussain from Mechanical Manufacturing Department. Another Special Project Award goes to Muhammad Abbas from Maintenance Electrical A Department. Another Special Project Award goes to Sayyid Imran Ahmed from Maintenance Electronics A Department. Special Project Award goes to Zishan Javed, B Sales Department. The next category of award, Cost Saving Award, goes to Abdul Rashid from Maintenance Electronics B Department. Cost Saving Award category goes to Muhammad Hassan Siddiqui, IE Knit Industrial Engineering Department. Another Cost Saving Award category goes to Muhammad Kashif Iqbal from Stores Department. The next category of Special Project Award goes to Sajjad Ali, HSC Department. Another Special Project Award goes to Asjad Khan from Product Cookware Department. The next category of Cost Saving Award goes to Zuhair Ijaz, Utility Department. Special Project category award goes to Qasim Khan from HIVAC and Compressor Department. The next category of Cost Saving Award goes to Zubair Sheikh, ETP and Water Management Department. The next category of High Impact Award goes to Usama Khalid, Civil Projects Department. The The next category that we have is Production Plant Setup Award that goes to Zuhaib Hassan from Civil Projects Department. The next category of Creativity Award goes to Muhammad Sumair Ahmed from Civil Projects Department. Thank you, sir, for...
Okay, let's move to the next set of awards. We'd like to welcome on stage General Manager Sayyid Usama Amin to please present the awards to the awardees. Please, can we have you on the stage? We are short of time. Cost Saving Award goes to Mohammad Asfar from Maintenance Mechanical B. The next Cost Saving Award goes to Rehan Alam from Dyeing Knits. Another Cost Saving Award goes to Muhammad Danish, Department Audit. Okay, the next Cost Saving Award goes to Syed Maqsood Shah, Department Procurement. The next Cost Saving Award goes to Muhammad Khaqan Amin, Production PSF. The next Cost Saving Award goes to Danial Beg from Department Accounts Global. The next Cost Saving Award goes to Khizar bin Saad from Product Cookware. Khizar bin Saad, can you have... Okay, he's not here. The next award is Creativity Award, and this goes to Saud Akhtar from QA Nets Department. Okay, the next Creativity Award goes to Syed Abu Bakar Hassan from Department Stores. The next award is for... The category is High Impact Award, and this goes to Ali Imran from Product Flow. The next category is High Performance Award, and this goes to Samiul Haq from Maintenance Electronics P Department. The next High Performance Award goes to Muhammad Abdul Hadi Qureshi from Department Production Knits and Protection. Protectors, my apologies. The next High Performance Award goes to Muhammad Ibrahim Khan from Accounts Global Department. The next High Performance Award goes to Azan Salim from Security Department. The next High Performance Award goes to Altaf Hussain from Production PSF. Okay, this one is the next category. This is High Production Award, and this goes to the first awardee is Muhammad Yasir from Weaving Terry. The next High Performance Award is for Muhammad Shahid Mahfouz from Finance Department. Thank you so much, Usama Amin bhai, and congratulations to all the awardees who got the awards. Now I would like to call upon stage Mr. Haris Khan, General Manager Logistics, to please distribute the awards to the awardees. The first award, the category is Creativity Award, and this goes to Hassan Ahmed from Art and Set Design Media House. The next one is High Impact Award, and this goes to Rizwan Maktool from Dyeing Knits Department. The next High Performance Award goes to Zishan Salim from Maintenance Utilities B Department. So the next High Performance Award goes to Muhammad Yamin from Production PSF. The next High Performance Award goes to Uzair Ahmed Khan from Production Cookware. The next High Performance Award goes to Syed Ahad Ali from Mattress Protector Team. Syed Ahad Ali. So the next category of award is Innovation Award, and this goes to Muhammad Hamza from Product Design. The next category is Special Projects. It goes to Muhammad Bishar from Maintenance Electrical B Department. The next award is Special Project category again, and this goes to Muntazir Ayaz from Department HSE. The next category is Cost Saving Award, and this goes to Syed Zaid Ali from Supply Chain Global. The next one is the High Impact Award, and it goes to Shehbaz Mushtaq from Weaving Airjet. Shehbaz Mushtaq Saab, can we have you on stage? The next category is Cost Saving Award, and it goes to Mia Samran Asghar from QA PSF. Mia Samran Asghar. So the next category is High Production Award, and it goes to Rizwan Ahmed from Weaving Waterjet Department. The next award is the High Performance Award, and it goes to Ali Ahsan from the HR department. Ali Ahsan from the HR department. Okay, thank you so much, Haris bhai, for presenting the awards to the deserving candidates, and congratulations to all the awardees. Now, I would like to call upon stage Mr. Syed Faizan Gilani to please present the awards. The first category is High Production Award, and it goes to Shehzad Murad from Video and Photography Media House. The next one is the High Performance Award, and it goes to Sikandar Hussain Gilani from A Sales. The next category is High Performance Award, and it goes to Shahzeb Ahmed Khan from Product Bedding USA. The next one is High Performance Award, and it goes to Muhammad Fasahat Jalal from the HR department. The next one is the High Production Award, and it goes to Abdul Aziz from Dyeing Knits. The next one is the High Production Award, and it goes to Muhammad Nadeem from Dyeing Polyester. Muhammad Nadeem from Dyeing Polyester. The next category is High Production Award, and it goes to Muhammad Ahsan Khan from Production Bedding UK and Europe. Okay, so the next category is, in fact it's the same category, High Production Award, and it goes to Danish Sultan from Production Miscellaneous. The next category is Innovation Award, and it goes to Asghar Ali from Payroll. The next one is the Leadership Award, and it goes to Rashid Iqbal from Production and Post Media House. Yet another Leadership Award, and it goes to Muhammad Khaliq from TPU Coating. The next category is Special Projects Award. It goes to Amjad Rafiq from Technology Department. The next category is Innovation Award, and it goes to Mahmoodul Hassan from Production Printing. So the next is Special Project Award, and it goes to Amir Hussain Awan from Supply Chain Global. The next one is High Production Award. It goes to Talha Shaukat from Production PSF. The next one is High Impact Award, and it goes to Muhammad Zahid Qamar from QA Plastic Metal. The next one is Cost Saving Award. It goes to Masood Shah from Weaving Sizing. Cost Saving Award goes to Masood Shah. Is he here? Thank you so much, Faizan Gilani, giving us your precious time, and congratulations to all the awardees. Now I would like to call upon stage Mr. Abdul Kareem, Senior Deputy General Manager, Product, to please distribute the awards to the awardees. The first category is Creativity Award. It goes to Amir Ghulam from Design Media House. Amir Ghulam for the Creativity Award. Can we have you on the stage, please? Okay, moving to the next. The next one is High Impact Award. It goes to Muhammad Hasban Anjum from the Maintenance Electronics Department. The next one is the High Impact Award. It goes to Abdul Qayyum Arai, QA Knits. The next one is the same High Impact Award, and it goes to Maqsood from Dyeing Polyester Department. Another High Impact Award, it goes to Khasal Ahmed from QA Bedding. Yet another high impact award, and it goes to Mohammad Kamran, QA Pillow Comforter. The next one is high impact award. It goes to Humayun Khalid from the HR department. Thank you so much. The next one is high impact award, and it goes to Muhammad Kashif Qadri from the IR department. The next one is high performance award. It goes to Mubin Ahmed from Product Pillow. Another high performance award, and it goes to Khurram Rashid from Video and Photography Media House. There's a change in category, and it's cost saving award. It goes to Sayyid Anas Ali from I Terry Miscellaneous. Now I would like to request Niaz Saab to please come on stage and give this award. Okay, this is the High Performance Award which Mr. Mohammad Niaz is going to present to Mushtaq Ahmed from Civil Projects Department. Thank you so much, Niaz Sahab, for giving your time and distributing this award. The next one is the Cost Saving Award. It goes to Naseem Ahmed from Procurement Department. Thank you so much, Kareem. And congratulations to all the awardees.
To present next set of awards, we would like to welcome on stage GM Muhammad Akil. The High Impact Award category goes to Muhammad Faizan Siddiqui from Accounts Department. The Special Project Award goes to Ahmad Ali from Maintenance Utilities Department. Another Special Project Award goes to Muhammad Atif Siddiqui from Maintenance Mechanical Department. The next category of Production Plant Setup Award goes to Sayyid Muhammad Hussain from Peat Finish Department. High Impact Category Award goes to Zia Shahid, Supply Chain Global Department. Performance Award category goes to Muhammad Afsar Alam from Civil Projects Department. Innovation category award goes to Mubashir Nazir from Production Department.
Yes, we should move to the next award.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. To present next set of awards, we would like to welcome on stage Zishan Arif, Journal Manager Zishan Arif. High Impact Category Award goes to Zuhaib Ali from Post-Production Media House Department. Cost Saving Category Award goes to Muhammad Asif from Taxation Department. Another Cost Saving Award goes to Muhammad Azam Khan from Wearing Terry Department. Another Cost Saving Award goes to Haji Kareem from Dyeing Yarn Department. Special Project Category Award goes to Kunain Farooqi from HR Department. Another Special Project Award goes to Rabiullah Sahibzada from Tariff Department. Special Project Category Award goes to Hassam Amin from Industrial Engineering Department.
Now I would like to welcome our very own Senior Deputy General Manager Aziq Hussain Bhai to please come on stage and distribute the award. The first category is Production Plant Setup Award. It goes to Shahzeb Iftikhar from Production Cast Iron. The next one, with a slight change in category, it's Special Project Award, and it goes to Muhammad Maz from Supply Chain Global. आपको अलग से award देंगे. So, The next one is a special project award. It goes to Imaduddin from Maintenance Mechanical B. The next one is another special project award. It goes to Muhammad Hassan from Stores Department. Another special project award. It goes to Bilal Hussain from Stores. The next one is High Production Award. It goes to Muhammad Wajahat Ghori from Production Plastic. The next one is High Performance Award. It goes to Muhammad Adil Rajput from Production Cookware. This one is a High Production Award. It goes to Muhammad Ali from Knitting Department. There's another award it's a High Impact Award, and it goes to Hassan Khan from Communication Department. Thank you so much, Hazik bhai, for giving away the awards to the deserving candidates. Congratulations to all the awardees. What a wonderful evening it has been. Truly inspiring and grateful to see the efforts being appreciated. And I can see how your team members cheering you guys. And मैं यहाँ पे कहना चाहूँगा कि देखें फिर से सिटी ऑफिस ले गए यहाँ पे बात. So hats off to you, city office guys. To further boost this positive energy level, we have a surprise musical segment planned for you guys, which is followed by dinner. So let's hear from the amazing musicians what they have planned for us, for all of you. Thank you so much for joining us this evening. A big round of applause for the musicians.
भूल जाने का हुनर मुझको सिखाते जाओ, जा रहे हो तो सभी नक्श मिटाते जाओ, चलो रस्मन ही सही मुड़ के मुझे देख तो लो, तोड़ते तोड़ते ताल्लुक को निभाते जाओ, फकत मेरे दिल से उतर जाइएगा, फकत मेरे दिल से उतर जाइएगा, बिछड़ना मुबारक बिछड़ जाइएगा, कभी कभी ये मुझे सताए, कभी कभी मैं समझा था तुम हो तो क्या मांगू, मेरी जिंदगी में मेरी आस तुम हो, मैं समझा था तुम हो तो क्या मांगू, मेरी जिंदगी में मेरी आस तुम हो, ये दुनिया नहीं है मेरे मेरे पास तुम हो, मगर तुमसे सीखा मोहब्बत भी हो तो दगा कीजिएगा, मुकर जाइएगा, जीना है तेरे बिना, जीना है तेरे बिना, तेरे बिना जीना है बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया, थैंक यू मच। मेरे किसी भाई का डांस का मूड है, किसी को जोर से डांस आ रहा हो। कौन है आपको पता होगा डांस कौन अच्छा करता है? हैं? एक जना बोले, एक जना। क्या कौन है? हसन। अपनी गाड़ी रियो निकालूं, साथ में जाना तुझको बिठा लूं। कौन है? हसन बोले। अपनी गाड़ी रियो निकालूं, साथ में जाना तुझको बिठा लूं। मछली पल्ला खिलाऊं तुझे सिंध दरिया के किनारे। मछली। अच्छा, टीम ए से 2 लोग आ गए, मुझे टीम बी से भी 2 लोग चाहिए। कौन है? कंपटीशन हो गया अब तो यहाँ। ये आ गया मेरे भाई। एक और, दूसरा कौन है? एक और, एक और, एक और, एक और, एक भाई और। कौन है? आजा। जोगी आया मुन्ना सुन जाता। आसिफ भाई बात वहीं आ गई, अल्ले कर लो। अब भाई आप यहाँ पर हैं भाई, ये आप लोगों की टीम है और ये आपकी टीम है। अब चेक आप लोगों ने फैसला करना डांस किसने सीखे, ठीक है? जोगी आया मुन्ना सुन जाता, सामी आया मुन्ना सुन जाता। जोगी आया मुन्ना सुन जाता, सामी आया मुन्ना सुन जाता। जोगी आया मुन्ना सुन जाता, सामी आया मुन्ना सुन जाता। गाए दिल के गाए प्यार, अल्ले अल्ले मुझा माडुवाड़ा, मुझा जोगी अड़ा, मुझा सामी अड़ा। मालुड़ा मिठड़ा मोहिजा, मालुड़ा सामी या मोहिजा, मालुड़ा मिठड़ा मोहिजा। अल्ले अल्ले सब मिलके मचाओ शोर। चक दे। यार बहुत सारे लोग, सबके लिए तालियां होनी चाहिए शोर के साथ। अपनी गाड़ी रियो निकालूं, साथ में जाना तुझको बिठा लूं। अपनी गाड़ी रियो निकालूं, साथ में जाना तुझको बिठा लूं। मछली पल्ला खिलाऊं तुझे सिंध दरिया के किनारे। मछली पल्ला खिलाऊं तुझे सिंध दरिया के किनारे। हम सिंध में रहने वाले सिंधी मेहमान नवाज हैं सारे। हम सिंध में रहने वाले सिंधी मेहमान नवाज हैं सारे। दिल से तुझको दावत है, कभी आओ पास हमारे। अच्छा भाई, अब हम माइंड अप की तरफ है। अब थोड़ा तेज डांस होगा, ठीक है? जोगी आया मुन्ना सुजाता, सामी आया मुन्ना सुजाता। जोगी आया मुन्ना सुजाता, सामी आया मुन्ना सुजाता। गाए दिल के गाए क्या, अल्ले 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 अल्ले। मुझा आडुवाड़ा, मुझा जोगी अड़ा, मुझा सामी अड़ा, मुझा जोगी अड़ा, मुझा सामी अड़ा। अल्ले 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 अल्ले। Thank you very much.
Thank you so much for such an electrifying performance. Now the next singer is Fiza Beg. Please put your hands together for Fiza Beg.
जिए सिंध जी, सिंध वारजियन, सिंधी टोपी अजरक वारजियन। रहे सदा सिंधु जी चोली, मारोड़न जी मिठड़ी बोली। रहे सदा सिंधु जी चोली, मारोड़न जी मिठड़ी बोली। खुशहाल हो जाए हर कांचे कारो झरते बादल कारा 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 जिगे सिंध बारा जिगे सिंधी टोपी अजी रख बारा जिगे सिंध बारा जिगे सिंधी टोपी अजी रख बारा जियन रहे सदा सिंधु जी चोली मारो अनन जी मिठड़ी बोल रहे सदा सिंधु जी चोली मारो अनन जी मिठड़ी बोल गली गली आई घरे घरे गूंजण सिंध अमर जा नारा 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 जिगे सिंध बारा जिगे सिंधी टोपी अजी रख बारा जिगे सिंध बारा जिगे सिंधी टोपी अजी रख बारा जियन पतले तन पे सजदा तैनू फुल्ला वाला चोला पतले तन पे सजदा तैनू फुल्ला वाला चोला पतले तन पे सजदा तैनू फुल्ला वाला चोला सौ साला विच हिक चमकाए तेरे जिया सोना ढोला हो मैं रांझड़ा 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 सब मिलकर बोले होय 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 फुल्लावरगी वीड़ी मेरी वीड़ी दे विच वंगा फुल्लावरगी वीड़ी मेरी वीड़ी दे विच वंगा फुल्लावरगी वीड़ी मेरी वीड़ी दे विच वंगा सौ साला विच हिक जमदाए तेरे जिया सोना ढोला हो मैं रांझड़ा 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 हो मैं रांझड़ा। और एक गाना जो सिंधियों की जान है, आन है, शान है, मान है। हो मुंजो खट्टिया यो पैर सा हो जमालो हो मुंजो लाड़िया यो लाल लाल हो जमालो हो मुंजो सखर वालिया पुल्ला दे हो जमालो मुंजो मोरो वालिया पुल्ला दे हो मुंजो जमालो जतन सा हो मुंजो खट्टिया यो पैर सा हो मुंजो सखर वालिया पुल्ला दे हो मुंजो मोरो वालिया पुल्ला दे हो आज खुशियां सागन में हो जमालो बाबा जमालो हो जमालो बाबा जमालो हो मुंजो जमालो जतन सा हो मुंजो खट्टिया यो पैर सा हो मुंजो जमालो जतन सा हो मुंजो खट्टिया यो पैर सा हो मुंजो खट्टिया यो पैर सा। और इसी के साथ एक और लाल सखी शहबाज कलंदर का एक धमाल कर रहे हैं जिसमें आप लोगों ने भरपूर जरा साथ देना है। पहले मुझे बताएं कि आज का इवेंट आप लोगों को कैसा लगा, जरा शोर करके बताएं। मैं चाहूंगी कि मुझी भाई जो कि जीतो पाकिस्तान में पूरा ऑर्गेनाइज करते हैं पूरे म्यूजिशियंस को और सारी चीज़ों को, और मन्नू भाई यहाँ पर मौजूद है, पाकिस्तान का बिग नेम, बहुत सारी क्लैप होनी चाहिए मिलकर। और हमारे बैंड कैसा परफॉर्म कर रहे हैं, बैंड के लिए भी क्लैप करते हैं आप लोग मिलकर। हो लाल मोरी पत रखियो भला झूली लालण हो लाल मोरी। हाथ पर होय 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 नौबतबाज। अच्छा जी, हमारे दरमियान जॉन मौजूद हैं जो कि जॉन ढोलक प्ले करेंगे, नौबत बजाएंगे और आप लोगों ने जरा क्लैप करनी है या जो डांस करना चाह रहे हैं देखते हैं कौन विन करता है।
One and only John.
Everybody please put your hands together for John.
Ali, 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 Ali,
दानिश मौजूद हैं जो कि ड्रम्स पर आपको नौबत बजा थोड़ा सा सुनाएंगे, थोड़ा सा ड्रम्स की। एवरीबॉडी ये बात, बिग हैंड फॉर दानिश।
Ali, the big hand to Mr. Danish. Ali, 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 Ali.
जननी जनन तोरी नौबत बाजे, जननी जनन तोरी, जननी जनन तोरी, जनन 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 जनना जन जनना जन जननी जनन तोरी नौबत बाजे। लाल बजे घड़ी याओ बला झूले लालड़ हो, लाल बजे बोलना है जोर से, हक। हक का मतलब होता है मौजूद। हो दमा दम मस्त कलंदर। म्यूजिक नहीं आएगा, सिर्फ आप लोगों की आवाज़ें सुननी है क्योंकि सबने भरपूर माशाल्लाह डिनर किया है, तो ज़रा जोर से आवाज़ें निकालिए। हो दमा दम मस्त कलंदर, अली लजपाल कलंदर, हो मस्तो मस्त कलंदर। इससे ज़्यादा थोड़ी सी आवाज़ बढ़ सकती है आप लोगों की। हो दमा दम मस्त कलंदर, अली लजपाल कलंदर, हो मस्तो मस्त 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 कलंदर, मस्तो मस्त कलंदर लाल, 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 मस्तो मस्त मादम मस्त कलंदर, हलीला पहला नंबर, अली लजपाल कलंदर, झूले लाल कलंदर, टमाटम मस्त कलंदर, टमाटम मस्त कलंदर, 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 मस्त कलंदर। ओ लाल मुरी, ओ लाल मुरी। हो लाल मुरी, हो लाल मुरी। थैंक यू।
जोश जोश का ये सिलसिला रुकना नहीं चाहिए। हमारे नेक्स्ट सिंगर जो हैं वो संगीत आइकॉन के विनर हैं अतर सानी साहब। प्लीज आप सबकी भरपूर तालियों में।
एक सूरज निकला था, कुछ तारा पिघला था, एक आंधी आई थी जब दिल से आह निकली थी दिल से एक सूरज निकला था कुछ तारा पिघला था एक आंधी आई थी जब दिल से आह निकली थी दिल से दिल से रे 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 दिल तो आखिर दिल है ना मीठी सी मुश्किल है ना पिया 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 जिया 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 दिल से चढ़ के पेड़ों से उतरे थे पेड़ों की शाखों से उतरे थे फिर कितने मौसम गुजरे वो पत्ते वो बेचारे फिर उठने की चाहत में वो सहराओं से गुजरे वो पत्ते दिल 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 थे दिल थे दिल थे दिल दिल थे दिल है तो फिर दर्द होगा दिल है तो दिल भी होगा दिल है तो फिर दर्द होगा दिल है तो दिल भी होगा दिल है तो फिर दर्द होगा दिल है तो दिल भी होगा दिल है तो फिर दर्द होगा दिल है तो दिल भी होगा दिल है तो फिर दर्द होगा दिल है तो दिल भी होगा मौसम गुजरते रहते हैं दिल है तो फिर दर्द होगा दिल है तो दिल भी होगा मौसम गुजरते रहते हैं दिल से दिल से दिल से दिल से रे Come on! दिल से रे दिल से दिल से रे दिल से रे दिल से दिल से रिश्तों में कांटों की तारे हैं पत्थर के दरवाजे दीवारें फिर भी उगती है और बच्चे भी खिलते हैं और चलते हैं और सारे किरदार भी मिलते हैं वो रिश्ते दिल 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 के दिल से दिल से दिल दिल के हम दिल के पर चुनबुले हैं पानी के ये बुलबुले हैं उठते हैं बनते रहते हैं गम दिल के पर चुनबुले हैं पानी के ये बुलबुले हैं उठते हैं बनते रहते हैं दिल से दिल से दिल से